Hi, I'm Atika.
Hi, I'm Dino.
We engaged Rezt and Relax as our ID. Our experience with Rezt and Relax has been good. I think what we appreciate is that we changed our design multiple times. Yeah, but they were very patient and understanding. And they also value add to our ideas, which is something that we appreciate. And also, they're very contactable. Like any time of the day, we had an idea and we discuss with them via WhatsApp or phone call, they will be responsive to us. Our favorite part of the house is the kitchen. We hack half of the wall, so it's an open concept. And it's great because me and my husband, we can cook, in the kitchen while our baby sleep in the sofa. So we can look over and make sure that he's doing okay. Yeah, and what I really love is also the feature wall, right? I think we got inspired by some ideas online. And we are truly appreciative of Janice and Nicholas because I think they spent one whole night putting up all these tapes so that they can paint the wall. I would definitely recommend Rezt and Relax and the designers Nicholas and Janice to my friends and family members. Thank you.